If this guy, pound for pound, was as strong as he is now, and 6'6", he would be a specimen. I mean, look at him, he's unbelievable.
And you know, he said the other night in day one of the competition, this ring routine couldn't have been any better. And the other thing that he said is, it is ridiculous that Jonathan Horton has not won a national title. I want it.
Actually has upgraded his difficulty on this exercise since the Olympic Games, made it a little bit harder, a little bit longer. You know, he had such a great night one, the fall on the pommel horse, but he told me in this point right here, in this cross, day one, he wanted someone to shoot him, just kill me, because I was so tired. I didn't even think that I could possibly finish the routine.
He looked strong.
Pulled out a 15.8 in day one.
Little bit short on that giant. But another rock solid, big ring routine from John Horton.